Hey there! So, picture this. You're chilling on your Mac and suddenly run into a pesky problem. Yep, we're talking about the issue with accessing asterisk.app domains. Other devices are cruising through the domain while you're stuck. It's not your Wi-Fi, not your internet, but seems like a DNS hiccup. Now here comes the solution to the problem. You gotta check out this code snippet. When you peek into Resolver app, you might just find the secret sauce causing all the trouble. There sits that sneaky name server pointing to 127.0.0.1. Remove it and like magic, the issue vanishes into thin air. Voila! Problem solved. To wrap it up, we dove into a tricky DNS dilemma on macOS. The culprit? A rogue resolver chilling in Resolver app. Once we bid that name server farewell, smooth sailing resumed. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe, drop a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay techie.